Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how much oil you're actually replacing when you use this contraption here, easy change oil filter and oil change on your John Deere lawn tractor equipped with this. What I'll be doing in today's video is showing you all the oil I took out of the engine after pulling out this filter. Then I'll be cutting open this filter, I'll pour it, and I will show you actually how much oil you're replacing when you use this gimmicky oil filter oil change all in one on your John Deere lawn tractor. Stay tuned, watch till the end. Make sure to check the links under the video for you to do this conversion by yourself and get rid of this. Okay guys, this is the actual filter and this is the actual oil that I removed from that John Deere Briggs & Stratton engine. In this one here, there's about 1.1 liters. In this one, there's about half a liter. So we are over about 1.6 liters of oil that came out of the engine. And in ounces, it's about 55 ounces that came out of the engine. I highly doubt that there is 50 ounces or even half in here, maybe half. This is what we're going to find out. I will cut it open and measure it. But the sad thing, guys, is when you do an oil change with this, there's still over half the oil left in the engine, which I think ends up being just over 2 quarts of oil in total that goes in the engine, or 2 liters, and I'm at 1.66 liters here. And I can't see how that can be good for your engine. It's a gimmick. Here you pay about $80 for this thing, maybe more now. Once you convert this engine to a regular filter and a drain tube, the oil changes will cost you under $40. And it's for a full oil change, like all the oil and a smaller filter. Like this filter right here from John Deere. Here is the part number for that filter. All this information will be under the video description for you to get all the parts for the conversion as well. Now my video on how to do the full conversion to get rid of this gimmick here is in the video description and in the comment section. Make sure you go watch the video if you have a John Deere and you want to convert it. So what I'm anxious to do here is to grab my hacksaw. Hopefully it'll work. I will cut open this filter, put it in here, and then I will measure to see how much oil you're actually replacing. So I'll put some gloves on. This will get messy, guys. It's not surgery, but it will be messy. And hopefully the hacksaw here will do the trick. Okay, I've never cut one of these open, but let's find out how hard it is. It's a bit awkward to say the least here. What I could do also is drain it, drill a hole here, but I want to see inside this thing. Just about done, guys. Be careful if you do this. It's so easy to cut yourself and to get this oil sprayed all over you. There we go. Okay, have a look here, guys. This is what's inside one of these filters. I always wanted to see what was inside one of these. And basically, you're paying for this little filter right here. Now, don't get me wrong, I don't hate John Deere. I do like their products. But this is one product that my customers constantly complain about. So here's what you get for 80 bucks here in Canada. That was last year, 80 bucks. Who knows what it is now. And let's dump that in here. This was at the bottom of that. So I'll get every last drop here, and you can see that it's not much in that filter. So I will remove these gloves here and clean up a little bit. Then I will dump this and measure it. So I may have lost, 40, 50 milliliters here, not much. I'll tally that in the amount just to be fair. So now I mark this container filter, then I know this came out of the filter. And you can measure on these right here. It's in metric though. Now I'm not going to wait all day for each last drop, so I'm going to add about 50 milliliters to whatever's here just to be fair. Okay guys, here's the verdict on how much oil is in this filter when you do your oil change using this procedure. You are actually only removing 650 milliliters. It's not even 1 liter. It's not even 1 quart. So I wrote it here, 650 milliliters approximately are in that filter. A quart is 946 milliliters. So it's still less than a quart as I mentioned. This 650 milliliters in ounces is 22.9 ounces, okay? I've removed out of the engine here 55 ounces. So you buy a filter here in Canada for $80 some plus 13% tax to remove less than half of the oil in your engine. And then the new oil from this filter just mixes in with the old stuff. Is that a good idea, guys? Comment below. And guess where these end up? They end up in your household garbage. They end up at this landfill instead of being properly disposed. Now, this gives you an idea of what's going on when you do this. Again, I like John Deere. I just think this is a bad idea. If they're watching the video, guys, please change this setup here. First of all, it's not good for the environment. It's not good for your engine. It's crazy expensive. And I know why these types of whatever you want to call procedure or gimmick, I know why they come out, because it gives proprietary business to certain companies. If you're a consumer, a customer watching my videos today, I can easily switch this over to the regular filter, the small filter with the oil drain tube, for probably less than 50 bucks. And then all your oil changes are going to be less than half of buying this filter. Once you have the conversion done, you end up with a drain tube like this and a normal oil filter like this. Now you won't do the conversion on the single Briggs on the John Deere, but you'll only see that contraption on the Briggs V-twin on the lawn tractors. And if you have an X350, you will not have it also, because it's the Kawasaki engine. It's only on the Briggs V-twins on John Deere's that I see that contraption. And while I'm on this filter thing and oil changes and all that, have you seen the mowers, years ago they came out where they say you never have to change the oil? Well, don't listen to that, guys. Change the oil anyway. This was mostly in the push mowers. There's no oil drain plugs on the push mowers now, but just flip them over, change the oil. Don't let the old oil sit in your engine and keep using it. It's totally bad for your engines. So again, when we look at this, it's a no-brainer, guys. What's good and not good for your engine. Let me know in the comments, guys. Tell me what you think about this and how often you do the conversion in your shop for your customers. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to go watch my full conversion video on getting rid of this filter. And again, if John Deere is watching, I like your products, but please change this system. It will benefit everybody. Make sure you're subscribed, guys, and have a great day.